Imagine a world where diseases are things of the past, where innovations in healthcare have made life not just longer but healthier and more fulfilling. This is not the stuff of science fiction, but a reality that we are steadily moving towards, thanks to the tireless efforts of the healthcare sector. Investment in healthcare is not merely a financial decision, it's an investment in the future of humanity. It's a commitment to our collective well-being. Every dollar poured into healthcare research, development, and infrastructure is a step towards a healthier, happier society. Innovation is the heartbeat of the healthcare sector. It's what propels us forward, pushing the boundaries of what we once thought was impossible. It's the force behind revolutionary advancements in medicine and healthcare technologies. From the development of life-saving drugs to cutting-edge diagnostic tools and treatments, innovation is making healthcare more accessible and effective than ever before. But innovation does not occur in a vacuum. It requires substantial financial backing. This is where investment comes into play. By funding research and development, investors are fueling the creation of new technologies and therapies. They are enabling healthcare companies to explore uncharted territories, to think outside the box, to challenge the status quo. Moreover, investment in healthcare is a catalyst for improved patient care. It allows for the development of better treatment protocols, the modernization of healthcare facilities, and the training of highly skilled medical professionals. It's an investment in the quality of care that patients receive, in the compassion and expertise with which they are treated. Investment in healthcare is also a key driver of economic growth. It creates jobs, spurs technological advancement, and contributes to a healthier, more productive workforce. In short, it's an investment that pays dividends not just to the investors, but to society as a whole. And at the forefront of these advancements stands a company that has been a beacon in the healthcare industry for over 150 years, Pfizer. In 1849, in the heart of New York City, Charles Pfizer, a chemist, and his cousin Charles Earhart, a confectioner, started a company with a $2,500 loan. This was the humble beginning of Pfizer, a name that would soon become synonymous with healthcare innovation. Picture this: two ambitious cousins with a shared dream of making a difference, setting up shop in a modest red brick building in Brooklyn. Their skills were complementary: Pfizer's chemical know-how and Earhart's knack for sweets. Together they brought something unique to the table in an era when healthcare was still in its infancy. Their first product was Santonine, an anti-parasitic, a much-needed remedy at a time when parasitic infections were rampant. But there was a catch. Santonine was incredibly bitter, making it unpalatable, especially for children. This is where Earhart's confectionery skills came into play. He came up with the ingenious idea of masking the bitter taste of the medicine with a sugary coating. And just like that, the first candy pill was born. It was a hit, of course. Not only was it effective against parasites, but it was also easy to administer, especially to children. This innovative approach set the stage for Pfizer's relentless pursuit of healthcare solutions. The cousins were not just making medicine, they were making it better. They were not just treating conditions, they were improving the patient experience. And they were doing it all with a spirit of ingenuity and a commitment to quality that would become the bedrock of Pfizer's philosophy. From that modest red brick building in Brooklyn, Pfizer began its journey, one that would span over a century and a half and transform the face of healthcare. In those early years, Pfizer was more than just a company, it was a promise of better health, of innovative solutions, and of relentless pursuit of excellence. This was just the beginning for Pfizer, a company that would soon revolutionize the healthcare industry. As the 20th century dawned, Pfizer continued to expand, both in terms of products and geography. The new era brought with it novel challenges and opportunities, and Pfizer, with its unwavering commitment to innovation, was ready to seize them. The century began with Pfizer's pioneering production of citric acid. Using a groundbreaking fermentation process, the company was able to produce this key ingredient on a large scale, setting a new standard for the industry. This was just the first of many innovations that would mark Pfizer's journey through the century. As the world plunged into war, Pfizer rose to the challenge. The company became a critical provider of penicillin during World War II, helping to save countless lives on the battlefield. Pfizer's mass production of the miracle drug was a testament not only to its innovative spirit, but also to its unwavering dedication to enhancing human health. But Pfizer didn't stop there. Throughout the 20th century, the company continued to break new ground, introducing a slew of significant drugs that would change the face of healthcare. From the introduction of terramycin, an antibiotic that fought a wide range of infections, to the development of Zoloft, a revolutionary treatment for depression, Pfizer was at the forefront of medical breakthroughs. And as the company expanded its product line, it also broadened its geographic reach. From its humble beginnings in New York, Pfizer became a global company, setting up operations in countries around the globe. This worldwide presence allowed the company to reach more people, bringing life-saving medications to those who needed them most. Innovation was the driving force behind Pfizer's growth in the 20th century. But it was more than just a desire to innovate. It was a commitment to improving lives, a commitment that still drives the company today. From a small fine chemicals business, Pfizer had grown into a global pharmaceutical powerhouse. And as we look back on a century of innovation, we can't help but be inspired by Pfizer's journey. It's a story of resilience, dedication, and above all, an unwavering commitment to enhancing human health. As we step into the 21st century, Pfizer continues to lead the way in innovation. In the modern healthcare landscape, Pfizer stands tall, not just as a pharmaceutical giant, but as a beacon of innovation and progress. Over the years, Pfizer has strategically expanded its reach and influence through a series of mergers and acquisitions. Each of these strategic moves has been carefully planned to broaden Pfizer's research capabilities, diversify its product portfolio, and extend its global footprint. One such significant merger was with Warner Lambert in the year 2000. This merger bolstered Pfizer's position in the market and led to the development of a blockbuster drug, Lipitor, which became one of the highest-selling drugs in history. Similarly, the merger with Wyeth in 2009 expanded Pfizer's presence in biotherapeutics and vaccines, laying the groundwork for the company's future advancements in these areas. But it's not just about mergers and acquisitions. Pfizer's commitment to research and development has resulted in groundbreaking drugs in various therapeutic areas. From oncology to cardiovascular health, from neuroscience to vaccines, Pfizer's contributions have revolutionized patient care and brought hope to millions. A shining example of this is the development of the COVID-19 vaccine in partnership with BioNTech. This vaccine, developed in record time, has been instrumental in the global fight against the pandemic, saving countless lives and showcasing Pfizer's unwavering commitment to improving human health. This commitment is further reflected in Pfizer's dedication to sustainability and corporate social responsibility. The company has set ambitious goals to reduce its environmental impact and is actively working towards creating a healthier and more sustainable future. Despite challenges and competition, Pfizer remains a stalwart in the healthcare sector, continuously striving to improve human health. Its impressive track record of innovation, strategic growth, and commitment to improving lives makes it an intriguing prospect for those looking to invest in the healthcare industry. As we look ahead, it's clear that Pfizer's journey of innovation and growth is far from over. So what does the future hold for Pfizer and those who invest in it? As we gaze into the crystal ball, the potential growth areas for Pfizer begin to emerge from the mist. The company's robust pipeline, teeming with promising research and development activities, is a clear indication of its unwavering commitment to innovation. Yet it's not just about creating new medicines or improving existing ones. Pfizer is also deeply invested in exploring novel therapeutic areas, adopting cutting-edge technologies, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of healthcare. And then, there's the company's ongoing commitment to addressing global health challenges, which is nothing short of inspirational. From tackling antimicrobial resistance to combating the world's most devastating diseases, Pfizer is at the forefront of efforts to create a healthier world. This commitment isn't just good for humanity, it's also good for business. After all, as more people gain access to quality healthcare, the demand for Pfizer's products and services is set to increase. But perhaps the most exciting aspect of Pfizer's future is its potential to revolutionize healthcare delivery. Through digital technologies and personalized medicine, the company is poised to transform the way we diagnose, treat, and prevent diseases, making healthcare more accessible and effective than ever before. While the future is inherently uncertain, one thing is clear: Pfizer is not resting on its laurels. The company is continually evolving, adapting, and innovating to meet the changing needs of patients and healthcare providers around the world. This relentless pursuit of excellence is what sets Pfizer apart and makes it an attractive investment opportunity. As we look towards the future, one thing remains clear. Investing in Pfizer is more than just a financial decision, it's an investment in the health of our society. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes in the water, consider Pfizer. Because when you invest in Pfizer, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a healthier, brighter future for all.